The OrcaTorch T20. Good evening, everybody. This is Desert Lumens, bringing you another first impressions video of the OrcaTorch T20. I wanted to apologize first off and thank my subscribers for hanging with me. I've been dealing with some health issues and I'm starting to feel better, and so I decided we need to get some reviews out. So this is going to be on the OrcaTorch T20. This is a 980 lumens flashlight. This comes in a complete kit, as you saw in the beginning of the video. The awesome plastic box that comes to protect the light. Now it has cushioning and it's pre-cut out to fit the flashlight and all the contents here that we're about to go over. Okay, like I said, this is a complete kit. This flashlight, you need nothing. It comes with the battery case here. It comes with two 2600 milliamp 18650 protected cells. It comes with an excellent holster. This is a very good holster. Now, I don't know if some of you guys may not know my background, but I've worked EMS most of my life, and it's hard sometimes to find a good holster, and this is a really good holster. The only thing I would complain about this holster is right here. I kind of don't like the button. I would rather have it just stitched and reinforced with the Velcro and have something up here to have like a hook on it in case I want to clip it elsewhere. But this, you know, is a very nice holster for this flashlight. It also comes with a charger for the 18650 batteries. It comes with two O-rings, and it comes with a really nice clip. I don't really like to use clips on my flashlights, so I remove this clip. It also comes with a lanyard, pretty basic, a warranty card, and a manual, and looks like Chinese and English here. Here are the specs of the light, so you can pause the video and take a look at that. Let's look at the light now. You can see this is a well-machined light. I love the head on this light. I love that it has a removable tactical ring if you want to remove that or keep it. I love it. I wish it was a little bit bigger because I have big hands, but it's really nice. This flashlight also supports, as you see, the momentary on. You can see the heat sinking here, crenulated bezel. It has a smooth reflector. The LED on here is a Cree XM-L2 U2 LED. This LED has a 7% increase output from the second gen XM-L2 LEDs. This flashlight also has a 281 meter beam distance. The buttons on here are very firm. I like that. The side switch here is used just to change the mode when you have the flashlight on. As you can see, the machining is beautiful and really good grip. The knurling's nice. I like that it has the OrcaTorch logo also on the button. You can look at the tail cap here. So you see it has this nipple type. The O-rings was greased really good. And see if we can get down in there. It has a nice heavy duty spring in there. And as you can see, the tactical ring is removable. I like to have it on because the way the length is of this flashlight, I like to turn it on with the tactical ring and hold it, just because I like to be able to maneuver with the light just really quick. I mean, you know, it has memory function, so it'll remember where you left off. So that's another really good feature about this light. Also, this light has a moonlight that I love. It's 2 lumens, and it's really it really comes in handy. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I like my flashlights to have a nice moonlight. And the crenulated bezel here is really aggressive, and I also like that. I like this old school look and feel of this flashlight. The flashlight is really well built, and this will be a perfect duty light for any kind of EMT, paramedic, police officer. This light will totally sort you. This light is also IPX8 rated, and it's really the total package. You can put this in so many different kind of kits, from disaster kits, your bug out bags, your everyday carry. It can be a nightstand light, or you can even put this on a long gun. This will be a really good weapon light. So check it out, OrcaTorch T20. I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and look forward to more videos that's going to be coming soon. I have quite a few lights to go through, and we'll be sure to keep bringing out the videos, and I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you very much. God bless you.